Especially with the red on the back, right?
Mm-hmm.
Different, the tail looks nice.
Fred.
Where'd you learn from? Who taught you that?
Wish I knew what
You
the hell
like
he's
that?
saying. Look
What are you
at
doing,
He's
Fred?
really talking. He's making phrases.
Fred, you ever hear of holy water?
It sounds like he's possessed.
You want holy water?
What are you doing,
Oh,
Roxanne?
that's a kiss. Look at those eyes. Oh, that's weird.
Fred, give me a coffee cup. Want coffee? Want some coffee? I know I'm hiding my fingers. Want some more coffee?
He was walking away. He said, how am I going to
Look.
tell you I don't want it?
I don't know why I
Change
got
his
scared.
mind? You think,
hiding my
did he
fingers.
go for it?
Yeah. No, he went to like bite it.
Oh.
Like viciously. Roxanne. Hi. What's the matter, baby?
That's enough of it on the camera, right?
I like the blue on his tail. He's pretty.
What if I put it over here? Go ahead, go dry yourself. That's
He
alright.
doesn't want it.
Yeah.
What's going on, Rock?
Yeah, shut up.
What's going
Want to play with the ball?
Come here. Come here.
Want the ball?
Oh, what a baby. Can you go see Fred?
Who's Tommy told you? Uh-oh. Tommy goes Bill. You
You
jealous?
want looking at your picture? What are you doing?
She wants to play with him.
Yeah, let's see what happens when I roll the ball. Thank
Oh.
you.
He doesn't
It's
care.
going to roll with that. Oh, the paper
Look at the
stuck
ball.
it, actually.
Get the ball.
Roxanne wants it.
Yeah. I'll be jealous.
See, that's my ball.
What are you doing, Doug?
Alright. See you later.
Oh, look, he's following you.
He's
Come on,
following you. He's
Come
coming.
on.
He's
Come
coming.
on the shoulder.
Oh, my God.
Come here. Come here. Good boy. That's alright. That's alright.
Aw. You okay, bud?
I like the way you interpret everybody's saying.
Hi. You alright?
Bye, Frank.
You interpret everything.
Oh, the pencil touched him. What are you
Look, it's
doing?
stuff to go
Hi.
down. He's so funny.